Hello guys, and welcome to another little video. And then this time I'm going to be using the GoPro Hero 11, testing it in an outside environment, and I'm interested in comparing the microphones in a sort of vlogging scenario and testing whether the internal microphone and how it competes with the MediaMod and also an external microphone, just to give you a couple of options if you're out vlogging, so you can see how the sound quality compares, and you can make your purchase decision based on that. Alright, so let's just start the video. Okay, so this is the first test, and this is the internal microphone on the GoPro Hero 11 in a typical vlogging scenario, and I'm just outside. There's a bit of a light breeze blowing around and some birds singing and a bit of background sound from some cars and stuff like that in the distance. So this is a sound quality from the internal microphone on the GoPro Hero 11. Alright, so this is the next test, and this time I'm using the actual MediaMod that comes or that you can get as part of the GoPro Hero 11 as an additional accessory, and that's actually got a little directional mic built onto the MediaMod itself. People say it's not particularly fantastic, but it is certainly hopefully an improvement from the internal microphone. I've just got a plane just going above here, so I'm just going to let that finish. Alright, so once again I've got a bit of background noise. There's a bit of a light breeze blowing here. I don't actually have the wind protection on the MediaMod on the actual little directional microphone, but this is the sound quality you can expect in an outside environment of the GoPro Hero 11 with the MediaMod and using the little microphone that comes with the MediaMod. Alright, so this is the third test, and this time I've got a Sennheiser MKE200, a little microphone attached to the hot shoe mount on the MediaMod, and then plugged in to the MediaMod to act as an external microphone. That's one of the advantages of the MediaMod, is that it does allow us to actually add in some external microphones. So this is the sound quality of the Sennheiser MKE200. Once again, this also doesn't have any wind protection, so what you're hearing is just basically the raw unit plugged into the GoPro camera. Okay, so another test, and this time I've got the Sennheiser MKE200, just like the previous test, but I've got the little dead cat, the wind protection physical one that clips onto the actual microphone to see if it reduces the sound of the wind, so we can see how it compares to the previous test. Okay guys, so that was a test of the microphones on the GoPro Hero 11. We had the internal microphone, and then also the microphone that was part of the MediaMod, and then also the Sennheiser MKE200 as acting as an external microphone plugged into the MediaMod. So which did you find the quality was any difference between the two microphones? I'm pretty sure there will be. I won't know the results until I get back home, but I'm pretty sure that the Sennheiser MKE200 is going to do a better job than the other two microphones, which is no surprise because it's retails to around about £80 or £90, so you're going to be paying a lot more money for hopefully much better quality. Okay, take care and see you soon, and don't forget of course to subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and also do a comment and all those good stuff. Take care, cheers.